Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, May 22nd. We're seeing some mostly cloudy skies and mild temperatures out there this morning. We do anticipate that to continue throughout the day today. Should be seeing a little bit more sunshine as we go into the afternoon hours, but for the most part going to be continuing to see mostly cloudy skies. Then we are going to be seeing another chance for some rain and perhaps a thunderstorm as we go towards this evening. Taking a look at our conditions across the region from yesterday, we did see temperatures near 80 degrees across many locations over the mid-Atlantic. Some cooler locations were near the water, including here at Wallops and at Ocean City. This morning we did see some mild lows across the region, with most locations seeing temperatures in the mid-60s. Cooler locations were at Dover and Ocean City, as well as Salisbury, which saw temperatures dip just below 60 degrees. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing some temperatures hovering around 70 degrees for many locations this morning under cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, with Ocean City being the cooler spot in the mid-60s. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning. Apologize, looks like our sounding was not updated, so we're going to skip this. So taking a look at our surface analysis, we do see a front draped across portions of the Tidewater and then west of the Chesapeake Bay this morning, and that has given us some southeasterly winds here at the Delmarva, and that's going to continue throughout the morning hours, and then we'll see that warm front kind of weaken and then lift just north of the area, giving us a more southerly to southwesterly flow towards the end of the day. And then we are going to be seeing the weak front drop across the area this evening. It does look to weaken as it approaches the Wallops region, perhaps being a little bit stronger as it gets up towards the northern portions of the Delmarva. So we are going to be looking at a pretty good chance for some rain showers as we go through towards this evening here at Wallops, with only a slight chance of thunderstorms as that line will be weakening, with perhaps a better chance of a thunderstorm up towards the Salisbury area. And then as that front stalls out towards this evening in far southern portions of the Delmarva, we'll continue to see some chances for isolated shower activity throughout the overnight hours. Taking a look at a short-term model here just to show you what we're expecting for this evening. This is going to be in the mid-afternoon time frame. We'll start to see that line of showers approach the region. Then it's going to slowly make its way southward, impacting the Salisbury area around 7 or 8 p.m. and then reaching here at Wallops after around the 8 to 9 p.m. time frame. It does look like this line is going to be weakening, as I had mentioned, as it goes south across the Delmarva. So we are only looking for a slight chance of a thunderstorm by the time it reaches here at Wallops. And then it is going to stall out as it goes towards far southern portions of the Delmarva into the Tidewater, giving us a slight chance of an isolated shower throughout the rest of the night. Taking a look at our satellite across the region, we are going to continue to see mostly cloudy skies. As you can see downstream, as these clouds move towards the east, there is abundant cloudiness across the rest of Virginia, and that's going to continue to stream overhead. So not anticipating much break in the clouds as we go throughout the day today, as we're going to continue to see mostly cloudy skies, perhaps a bit more sunshine towards the mid to late afternoon hours before that front and that rain impacts the area. Taking a look at our forecast charts here, we are going to, this is Tuesday night, or this evening, we can see that batch of rain showers that will be impacting the Wallops region ahead of that main front that's going to be moving across the area. As we move throughout the night, we're going to see that front weaken, dropping south of the Wallops region. I think this chart has the front a little bit too far north for this time frame, so we are going to continue to see some isolated shower activity after that initial batch of rain moves through the area, mainly between 8 p.m. and midnight, as that front is looking to stall across the far southern portions of the Delmarva into the Tidewater for Wednesday. That is going to keep the bulk of the rain south of the area for Wednesday, and any thunderstorm activity should remain south of Wallops, but it is going to be rather warm here Wednesday afternoon, but it is going to be also dry at the mid to upper levels, so that's going to possibly give us a chance for a pop-up shower, but due to the very dry air moving in aloft, it looks like it's going to be pretty difficult for any thunderstorms to develop here at Wallops, with those thunderstorms remaining south across far southern portions of the Delmarva into the Tidewater for tomorrow. As we move into Thursday, we will have high pressure develop across the mid-Atlantic, or perhaps just north of the mid-Atlantic, and that's going to give us a slightly drier air mass, and that's going to really help to clear up those skies. So we are expecting this very sunny skies on Thursday, as well as slightly more cooler temperatures, but still expecting temperatures to remain a couple degrees above average for this time of year. Taking a look at our forecast chart for today, we are going to be clear of any weather hazards throughout the workday today, possibly seeing a little bit more sunshine as we go into the mid to late afternoon hours. Looking at a warmer high near 79 degrees as those winds shift southerly and then southwesterly later this afternoon. After 8 p.m., we are going to start to see chances for those showers and thunderstorms. The best chance for any isolated thunderstorm activity is going to be between 8 p.m. and midnight as that main line of showers moves through the area. And then as we go after midnight, we'll still see a chance of some isolated shower activity through about 6 a.m. And then we'll just see those clouds clearing out a bit as we go into the mid to late morning on Wednesday. Taking a look at the terminal forecast, we're going to continue to see mostly cloudy skies with multiple decks, looking like the ceiling is going to remain around 3,000 feet through early this afternoon, possibly raising up a bit, becoming around 15,000 feet, still looking at a few scattered at the lower levels for the mid-afternoon time frame. And then as we go into this evening, we'll see those ceilings lower down to around 4,000 feet in any shower or thunderstorm activity. And then we'll see those, still going to see multiple layers of clouds as we go into the overnight hours, with scattered at 3,000, broken at 5,000, about overcast at 10,000, especially if we get into any shower activity. And that's going to continue through Wednesday morning as well. And we do have tides slightly above normal across the region. For our low tomorrow morning, we are going to be looking at a very warm low, only down to 69 degrees. For tomorrow, we're going to be looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies at times with that chance of a pop-up shower, mainly in the late morning and afternoon hours, as we still have that front across the far southern Delmarva and into the Tidewater. But like I had said, most of the rain will remain south of the Wallops region tomorrow, and we are looking at a very warm high of 84 degrees. For Wednesday night, we're going to start to see that high pressure build into the area, and we will be seeing those clouds clear out of the region. So we're looking at partly cloudy to mostly clear skies, and with some that high pressure building in, getting a little bit of a more cooler low, more average for this time of year. Still slightly above average though, with a low of 62. And on Thursday, looking at a mostly sunny and dry day with a pleasant high of around 79. Taking a look at our next 7 days here, we are going to be seeing that warm day tomorrow, 84, with a chance of a pop-up shower. And then Thursday and Friday, high pressure is going to build in across the mid-Atlantic and northeastern parts of the country, and that's going to give us some very sunny skies with a high of 79 for both days. We're going to see a little bit more of a seasonable low for Friday morning of only 58 degrees. And then as we go into late Friday and Saturday, the high pressure is going to move east of the area, helping to reinforce the Bermuda high once again. And that's going to give us a return to a south to southwesterly flow, giving us a warmer air mass yet again, and an increase in moisture as we go throughout the weekend. On Saturday, it does look like we are going to be dry for most of the day, but we are going to be seeing a chance for some shower activity later in the day into the evening on Saturday as we get some upper level energy moving ahead, possibly even seeing a chance of a thunderstorm as we go into the Saturday night into Sunday morning time frame. On Sunday, we're still going to be seeing some abundant moisture stream in as we have there is going to be a weak tropical system developing in the Gulf, and that combined with that strong Bermuda high, it's going to be streaming abundant moisture into the Wallops region, and that's going to give us a chance for some more pop-up showers and perhaps a thunderstorm on Sunday. But then on Monday, we are going to be having looks like a backdoor cold front trying to drop down just to the north of the Delmarva. Meanwhile, we're going to still be having that strong southerly flow bringing in some deep subtropical moisture across the region. So Monday is, for our Memorial Day, unfortunately looking like a pretty wet day, as those systems are all going to combine to bring some abundant rainfall and perhaps some thunderstorms. It does look like the winds are going to be more southeasterly on Monday, precluding a bigger thunderstorm threat, but we can expect some widespread rain showers for your Monday with a cooler high due to the abundant cloudiness and rain of 73. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.